Yep. Dan, pick your bike up.
Alright.
You good?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yo, are you good?
No, I just wanted to make sure you're good.
Good thing we all convened on that, huh?
Yeah.
Good timing. I got snow in my boots. What happened? You split out? Yeah.
I'm following you still. My bike feels so much taller now that I actually have air in the tire again. What's happening, buddy?
I think it's getting just a little too slick for me.
Right? Nothing hurts?
Nope, I'm good.
Alright, go for it, buddy. Special shout out to Dan for filling up my tires for me while I was tending to all the camera batteries and everything I do. I'm riding so lazy right now. I'm so tired. I know. Let's build one.
That's terrible now.
My back tire still looks good, right?
Looks fine, yeah.
Okay, cool. Are you taking a break?
Yeah, it's a little too slushy for me now. It's that, you know what? I don't want to hurt myself now. If you want 1 month, you can ride it. I saw that. Did you see his 180?
No.
Oh, he literally turned the bike around. That was kind of funny. Yeah, I am not flexible.
Let's see. I'll try to show you what I do.
No, Andrew, I understand the concept.
I know you do.
I am not flexible enough with short legs.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, it hurts. Andrew, I just can't do it.
All right.
I just fell over. Dude, all power to you for being able to ride that. That's more impressive than riding that.
Feels like second. Oh no! How did he hit that hard? It's alright. Slide all the way up. I love his... See, now that I'm getting used to his granny gear and how the rest of his bike works, I don't think he should change the front sprocket unless he really gets to, like, out powering his bike. But that should be in a little bit. Like, the reason I changed mine was because I didn't really like how slow I started when I was on the road. I felt like all the cars ended up having to wait for me. So that's why I changed mine, so I get the quicker acceleration in the lower end. And then that means obviously I can Those on foot pegs might do his bike nice.
What are you doing leaving this outside?
Nicole, lock the door. Close calls.